How to pin application on iPhone. So if you want to pin application on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. Once you're on your home screen of your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then find accessibility. Once you type on accessibility, you need to scroll down further and then you'll find an option of guided access. Tap on it. Toggle the switch next to guided access and you'll see an option to set guided access password. This is an optional setup, but creating a password adds an extra layer of security when using guided access. You can use your iPhone, unlock password, or create a separate one specifically for guided access. Now open the app that you would like to pin. Like for example, I'll just simply go and select Facebook. Once you're in the desired app, quickly press the button located on the right side of your phone 3 times in a row, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Tap on guided access. Now tap on the start button, which will be in the top right corner of your screen. Your iPhone screen will now be locked onto the specific app, and the user won't be able to exit the app, access other apps, or make changes to the device settings. That is how you can pin your application on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.